Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to fix chess.com lagging issues. So first, we make sure that our Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable enough to run the app and the website version. So in order to check our internet speed, we can check our connection by speed test, and then we try to test our speed connection. So as we can see, it's enough to run the app and the website version. So next that we gotta do is go to our chess app, long press it, and then choose app info, and we go to storage and cache. So we clear cache, and after that we force stop it, and then after doing all those methods, we should restart our phone. So after restarting our phone, the lagging issues should be solved by right now. So that's it.